guys, Father SDI here. I'm gonna make for you guys an unboxing from EMF. So yes, so just wait, unboxing now. Wait. So yes. Oh yes, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool unboxing. I like this stuff from EMF. By the way, this is my first unboxing from EMF. Yes. So this is the box here. So when you open, you find a wicked sticker, a reverse sticker, EMF sticker, and so yeah, that's all. So yes, so for my stickers, Brigo. This is my kicker. Let me see the popping. Brigo, huh? So I got these two stickers. I got this, and I got an EMF sticker. So yes, let's open this baby up. So let's open this baby up. OMG, it sucks. Sucks, man. It so sucks. Pretty cool, man. I really like it. So damn sick. High quality wood, man. So yes. So just cut it off. So just pull the excess of tape off and just put it out. Wow, pretty nice. Pretty sick. Wow, sick. So yes. The bottom is pretty cool, pretty solid. Dry grind on the sides. Pretty cool on the back. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Can grind pretty nice. Yeah, so just can pop and slide. Pretty nice. So yeah, this is the kicker from EMF. P Workshop. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and peace out. Goodbye. P Workshop. Yeah, man.